In this box, I have everything that I bought in Japan that is Sanrio related. I know that usually I would do these kind of videos in between reading Discord, but this is too much. So, let's go. This is a Sakura Pochako plushie. I have nothing from Pochako, but in white and pink, yes please. And this is an official Sanrio Stuff, obviously, but it was giving me by the Bleepo team. So remember, if you buy stuff from Bleepo, you can get all the Sanrio stuff basically. And because I collaborated with them, they gave me this adorable plushie from Sanrio. Everybody had these super cute tiny plushies on their backpack, and I wanted one. But I could not find a cute one from Wish Me Mel. And this one, I don't know, I think it was here. It had some kind of plaque with dots to write a message or something. And so I just cut it, actually. Cut it out. And so now this is just a regular cute plushie. And look at the rainbow tail that she has. This is so cute. I'm so happy because there were so many Wish Me Mel stuff in Japan. A lot more compared to 0 in Europe. So yeah. And I wanted another big plushie. She's like pink and we're mint and pink, so this is totally my thing. And I was like, okay, she needs to be somewhere in my decor because she is perfect. She's adorable. How cute is she? I don't know if I told you this story. Actually, in the Discord, I mentioned that I was going to Japan and I was looking to meet Wish Me Mel in the Puro Land theme park. And then Chelsea DM'd me, oh my god, Wish Me Mel is your favorite? And I was like, yeah. And she said, oh my, oh my, oh my. And I was like, is she coming next? And she never said yes or anything. She said, you can tell no one. And I managed to tell no one, not even my boyfriend. And Wish Me Mel was here. This I got in the airport. It's a huge tote bag. It's super thick. When I go to the post office to ship all my stuff, I need big bags to put all the packages for my customers to bring to the post office. So why not having a very cute one? And it's double-sided. Something super cheap that I bought is this fan. This is from the 100 yen shop, so this is less than $1. It was the 50th anniversary logo and everything. I always have with me, when I go to convention, pouch that is from Disney, and it's a little bear, and it's light brown and it doesn't go with all of my accessories, so I thought I would go with one from Sanrio, and I could not find a pouch like this in this size that is a crossbody bag actually, and so I decided to buy this one and to add the cord myself. And what is very cool is that here you have the pocket to put your train card, but usually at event I just put my business cards here. I thought that this Chupa Chups collab was cool. Now I don't know if I will regret it because it's yellow and not all my dresses have yellow, but she has a yellow nose. I saw a lot of people with this one, so I wanted it too. It's actually a super big double rosette with Hello Kitty. So on the back you have also Hello Kitty, but what is cool is that you can actually open it here, and here inside it's just a button, and you can remove and change the button for something else, and it's kind of a cute way to display something. So they have a lot of these, like you can put a photo. In Japan they call it cheki. I think that having it worn with a button is super cute. Ooh, I have this blind box. Also, I'm not going to open it here because I want to wait for more blind boxes to open them together. I usually buy the ones from Miniso, but there were no Minisos in Japan. This is the Wonderful Time, so it's like a pocket watch with Sanrio characters, and I'm excited, but I'll open it in another video. To my dismay, I realized that Japan loves buttons, and we don't really do that much in Europe. We're more into enamel pins for some reason, but Japan loves button. Two of them that I have here are actually too big for this. So this one I bought new in a shop that had Sanrio collabs with Magical Girl, and so this is Wish Me Mel, and she's adorable and it's so shiny. And this one, was it also from here? I'm not sure, but I think there was a secondhand store with tons of things from different animes, different things like that, and there were trays, and they said Sanrio, and they had small stuff in that, and I found many treasures. And I think this Kiki and Lala stuff was there, and it was so cheap, like between 100 and 300 yen, so like $2-3, something like that. Really cheap. This is also one that I found there. It's actually also a button, but all sewn and embroidered, and these usually came in blind boxes, so I was so happy because there were some that were really not my color, so I did not want to buy the blind boxes, but I got Hello Kitty that is all pink and perfect for all my stuff. That would be perfect here. I'm so happy, and this one could actually go in the thing. It's a little bit small, but it could definitely go. And I found this iron-on patch from Kiki and Lala, and it was in a store where they had things to craft, and it's mint and pink and it's gorgeous. I'm not sure where to put it actually. Maybe I'll put it on my, I have a jacket, like a pink jacket, and I'll put it on there. In Sanrio Pure Land I got this. This is a gel bottle with my melody, and the thing is that is weird is that when you hold it like this, it's on top, so you have to turn it to release. My other ones is hold like that, and then you can grab the gel from there. Anyways, I think it's cute to have finally Sanrio stuff on my bag for gel, and I love ribbons and accessories that I can wear. So this is my melody brooch that has a small cameo and a small strawberry here. This one too is actually from Nile Perch, which is also a brand, Fairy K brand in Japan, and they had this official collab with my melody. When you buy stuff in the Sanrio shop, they would give you stuff to pick, and I could pick those. Then I also got this one that is a 50th anniversary of Hello Kitty one. This is something I really wanted to do. It's in Sanrio Pure Land. You can buy these things and buy the letters and buy all the small accessories and make your own design, like write whatever text you want. It's a keychain. I'm so happy because there was a Wish Me Mail that was white and pink, and then there was all the English letters in mint, and also a mint bow and everything. So I was able to do something so adorable. This is fun. I could not enjoy it before because I wanted to save it to show it to you. There was a collab with Kit Kat to have special Hello Kitty things, and you could have random ones in each boxes, and I wanted to try and find them, but I could never. I went to all the supermarkets, I could never find any of these, and my friend Vamps actually opened so many boxes to have them, and he gave me a bunch of duplicates, especially Wish Me Mel. Thank you so much. And those are, I think, strawberry flavored Kit Kats. We went to a cafe that was the Sanrio Character Garden Cafe, and they give you trading cards. I don't know if every time they will give you another one. When you have a full collection, you upgrade, and I think then you can get a better seating and things like that. This is so cute. So I have Pochaco and little twin stars because I went with my boyfriend, so we got two. And Pasmo is one of the train cards they have in Japan. There was a whole thing that they do not make physical cards anymore, so now they made a virtual thing. So for iPhone, I was able to get my Pasmo in my phone, and it was so easy to do that. And my boyfriend could not do that on Android, and he had to get a physical card, and they made special ones for tourists. It is Sanrio themed, but I'm sad that I could not get it for myself, but that's okay. It's gorgeous, and now it's useless, and we can just display it because it's cute. So now I have this. I love to collect the placemats in the cafes that I go, and I went to the Cinema Cafe. I kept it. It's gorgeous. Probably also I will put it here. And now I have this Strawberry News magazine. It's number 675. 200 yen. So it's like $1.50. I saw it and I did not realize it was so cheap until my friend pointed out. I don't know, she got pins, badges with Karopi and Hankyodon. And then I looked, and then I saw that I could get one that is shiny with Wish Me Mel. I was like, okay, I'm sold. Like, one of these already is worth the price of this magazine. Is this so cute? Oh, in the middle you have some kind of a poster, or you can use this one for Tuxedo-sam. I guess it was Tuxedo-sam's birthday. So this mag is very fun. It shows you about the latest collab and everything, but there's nothing about Hello Kitty Island Adventure, which would make sense because at that time there were special events and everything. So that would have been fun. So Japan is not really yet onto Hello Kitty Island Adventure. I think it's more Sanrio US that is really pushing this because Sunblink is an American company maybe. Oh, a big thing in Japan also when you go to cafes is coasters. So this is the one from the Cinema Road Cafe, and this This is the one that was special for Pom Pom Pudding's birthday. So that was cute, and so that was in the Pom Pom Pudding's cafe. I got these at the Yakuen shop, so 100 yen, so that was like 60 cents. And also super cheap, I got this one. So it's also a fan. Also bought that second hand. I got so many Wish Me Well stuff and I'm so happy. That was perfect. She was just released. And then more Sanrio stuff that I got in Switzerland, actually. Somewhere in Switzerland I bought this Hello Kitty star drink, and I'm not even sure if it's good or not. It says that it's strawberry. I don't want to open a carbonated drink here, so maybe I'll do it on my Instagram stories. This is the same kind of stickers that I showed you with Wish Me Well before. That is super cheap, but it was in a booth in Fantasy Basel, like a small artist alley, and they had a bunch of stuff from Sanrio. This was 5, and it's a spoon for the kitchen, and it's red and black. Unfortunately, I wanted more pink stuff, but it's Sanrio. And also this was also $2. This is a luggage tag that you can put on your luggage, and it's Hello Kitty on a unicorn. It's so cute. And then the blind box. I have the first one that is Kiki and Lala, and I got Kiki, and somebody was selling random stuff and figurines, and they had Lala. This is one of the Miniso figures. They are so good quality and so gorgeous. The last thing is that I got myself these Hello Kitty headset. You've seen me using them. Unfortunately, I wanted to use them as a microphone when I'm recording gameplays that are not directly, you know, like live streams, but like the mic is really bad, but it's good as when I need headphones. I actually only have like the cord ones, and this lights up, and inside here you have Hello Kitty and friends. I also bought this amazing Hello Kitty wallet. I really needed a new wallet for years, like 10 years or something. I had this ugly wallet, and I'm so happy I found this 50th anniversary one that is gorgeous. I don't think I will stream with these all the time because it's kind of noise cancelling, so I don't like to not hear myself when I talk. But I think it's super cute, and I think I can do better headdresses and everything. So actually, I saw them in Japan, and I tried them on in Japan in the shop. And then I decided to buy it in Switzerland, even though it was like twice the price, because then I have the warranty. It breaks or anything, I can have it changed. And Razer is a good gaming company. I'm very happy about that. This is the official Angelic Pretty headbow that goes with a dress with Wish Me Well on top, and it's a collab. I really wanted this dress, but I did not want to buy it before I went to Japan because I thought I would spend a lot of money in Japan. And then now it's not on the website anymore. Where I found this, they had the dress that is a shape that does not fit me. I bought a headbow, so then when I found the dress, I'll have it. But the day before, on the same store, it's a Lolita fashion store, I found this that is also a Lolita fashion brand. And I don't know if you can see, but it has polka dots, white things. And I had no bunny accessories before that, and I thought, oh my god, this would be perfect for making a Wish Me Well cosplay outfit, whatever. So now I have this one, and what is cool with this one is like it's posable, so I can do cute stuff with the wings. And so this one is from Baby the Starshine Bride. Another one from the Lolita brand is because I unboxed it for the other haul and it's on top, but because it was both Lolita fashion and Sanrio, I had to box it here. This store that's called Maison de Fleurs, that is a bag accessory brand, and they made this pouch, and look at that inside. They have Lou, they have Nina. Yeah, so all Wish Me Well friends inside. This is so cute. So cute. And see, I have this My Melody headband, and I bought more headbands. They were really affordable with the weekend, so I bought Kuromi because I also have the black wig, and I bought Cinema Roll because he is adorable. And also this is Hello Kitty. I got all these. Should I change it now? So this is a very casual Kuromi. Something else that is also Lolita fashion and Sanrio, a collab tumbler by Misako. So if you don't know Misako Aoki, she is one of the biggest models for Lolita fashion, and she has this brand that's called Empathy. She made a tumbler with Hello Kitty and Kuromi wearing Lolita, also My Melody, and Kiki Lala. This is super cute. I think it will just something that I will display somewhere in my decor. And also the box is cute and I had to got it. And I also have this bag of stuff for my friends that is mostly also Sanrio. Okay, there's actually many people around me that love cinnamon rolls, so let me start with everything cinnamon roll. I really wanted to find a plushie that was specifically for Japan, and I don't know if you guys know, crepes are something super famous from Harajuku, one of the neighborhood of Tokyo, and so this one is very cute because it's cinnamon roll with a crepe that has a tiny milk inside of it, and so I thought this is super cute. In the cinnamon roll cafe I bought this limited edition button, and I also bought a 20th anniversary brooch from Nile Perch, like I got the My Melody for me, and I got the super cute stickers that is a collab with Ame no Mori Fumika. And I got this keychain that says Tokyo, also with cinnamon roll and milk. And also some shorts from AC/DC Rags. And I got this colorful cotton candy because I bought it for me and I discovered they're super delicious. Which is fun, is it's actually, you can make it like the huge ones you see in Tokyo, and it's actually all concentrical circles of different tastes, like all the colors have different tastes, and it lasts until 2025, so definitely somebody can enjoy this. And this is a memo pad collab like the one with cinnamon roll, and there was a special anniversary keychain, like birthday, for Pom Pom Pudding, and some Pom Pom Pudding socks, and also one Usahana plushie. We have not seen her in Hello Kitty Island Adventure yet. Hopefully she comes. This is everything I bought in Japan and Sanrio stuff for a while. What was your favorite product? Things like the small buttons make me super happy because I can start putting them on my accessories. The fact that there's so many official Sanrio stuff that I was able to go honestly in Japan. Like every single store, not every single one, but I would say at least a tenth of the store you pass in front, being food or clothing or accessories, whatever, they would have either selling Sanrio stuff or collab with them. This is crazy, insane. I don't know also if you have heard that I'm doing a meetup for Hello Kitty Island Adventure on the 28th of July. I will put a link in the description. When this video comes out, probably the ticket sale will be open, but I don't know if it will be sold out already or not, so be on the lookout. I put together a playlist here of all the Sanrio stuff in Japan that I have seen this year, all the cool places I've been, all the cool cafes and everything, so click there to see it. Bye bye!